Endicott College, faculty, staff, students, Board of Trustees, community members, and delegates. Welcome to the inauguration of Endicott's 7th president, Dr. Stephen DiSalvo.
This world is filled with complex issues, and a variety of increasing challenges can also become a smaller, better connected place where newly familiar faces and efforts to find a common language often lead to innovation and collaboration. Therefore, we must provide our students with the global experience necessary to thrive in that global society. Going forward, our internship opportunities must be expanded beyond a 50-mile radius. With this initiative, student cohorts will be able to seek internships from Wall Street to Capitol Hill, from the Windy City to the Big Easy, from Silicon Valley to Faneuil Hall. We will embark on a bold initiative whereby living and learning become integrated through programs designed for affinity groups. Living, learning communities will connect our faculty to our students outside of the classroom to learn not just about the academic discipline, but about life in general, a rich learning environment. But then there's the elephant in the room whenever anyone discusses an ambitious agenda in higher education: affordability. We will lead the way on the topic of college affordability by engaging our elected officials in a conversation, a very necessary conversation, to seek an exemption to federal antitrust laws so we can talk to our peer institutions about a reset of the gross price in higher education. So all of these initiatives come at a price. We must embark on Endicott's first ever comprehensive capital campaign. The good news is Endicott is clearly a very worthy investment, and I'm confident that together we can make a strong case to those who seek to be the change they wish to see in the world. Our story, the Endicott story, is really about our people. It is less about the past and more about the future. It is less about the internship, but more about the intern. It is less about the care and more about the caregiver. It is less about the dream, but more about the dreamer. That next chapter for Endicott begins now, when I can say with optimism, excitement, and great pride that it's a great day to be a Gull. Thank you.